Imagine your liver as the powerhouse of your body, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. But what happens when that vital organ becomes scarred and can no longer function as it should? That's what cirrhosis is, a silent yet dangerous condition that can dramatically impact your health if left unchecked. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what cirrhosis is, explore its common causes and symptoms, and discuss potential treatments. Stick around till the end to learn how you can protect your liver and maintain your overall health. 1. What is cirrhosis? Cirrhosis is the advanced stage of liver scarring fibrosis, a chronic liver disease that results from long-term damage to the liver. Over time, healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue, where irreversible damage occurs due to repeated injury or inflammation, which blocks the flow of blood and slows down the liver's ability to perform its essential functions, such as detoxifying the body, producing vital proteins, and aiding in digestion. 2. Causes of cirrhosis. The most common causes of cirrhosis include chronic alcohol abuse. Long-term excessive drinking damages liver cells. Viral hepatitis. Hepatitis B and C infections cause liver inflammation and scarring. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease NAFLD, often linked to obesity, diabetes, or high cholesterol. Bile duct diseases. Blockages in bile flow can lead to liver damage. Genetic conditions. Disorders like hemochromatosis, iron buildup, or Wilson's disease, copper buildup. 3. Symptoms of cirrhosis. Early stages of cirrhosis may not show any symptoms, but as the condition progresses, you might experience fatigue and weakness, jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes, abdominal swelling, ascites, easy bruising or bleeding, loss of appetite and weight loss, confusion or memory problems, hepatic encephalopathy, spider-like blood vessels on the skin. 4. Possible treatments. While there is no cure for cirrhosis, treatments can manage symptoms and slow progression. Lifestyle changes. Avoid alcohol completely. Maintain a healthy diet low in salt and rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Medications. Antiviral drugs for hepatitis. Diuretics to reduce fluid buildup. Procedures. Endoscopic treatment for varices and large veins. Paracentesis to remove excess abdominal fluid. Liver transplant. In advanced cases, a liver transplant may be the only viable option. Conclusion. Cirrhosis is a serious condition, but early detection and proactive management can significantly improve quality of life. By addressing the root causes and following a healthy lifestyle, you can prevent or slow down liver damage. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or experiences to share. We'd love to hear from you. Together, keep spreading awareness and empowering healthier lives.